Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining coin. This telegram coin, all coin mining in telegram will be in the description. Also, if you have an Avacoin mining telegram, you must verify your account. The link of Avacoin and the verification email that must be used will be in description too. This is the homepage of our PixelCoin. Like you see, I have 2 million. I am in platinum now. This is our levels. Like you see, I am in platinum. For Diamond League, I must have 10 million. Like you see, this is the end. You see, there is Gold League and Silver League. This is the homepage. It looks like that. It's like not coin. Like you see, for the first, after registration with your telegram, you just find the link in the description, and also join all mining coin will be in the description listed. You can join all based in clicking. You can use auto clicker to click on all of these coins. There is friends. If you want, you join. You will get 15,000 coin for free if you join from my link in the description. Here earn. You complete these jobs, simple jobs, to get free coins. Like you see, following in X and joining squad. It's very simple to get free coins. For the first, there is booster here. After collecting a huge number of coin, you can mine an Autobot. You can buy auto tap bot for your coins. It will click for you. This is ghost bounty. You will have a bounty in your account. This is for recharging speed, the limit of the recharging. You can bought one energy limit, also multi-tap, how many tap you get every time. This booster, after working in this homepage of coin, you collect coins and go to booster. For the first, you must buy an auto tap bot, also in multi-tap and energy. This is my energy. Like you see, this is my energy. Like you see, you click in all of that. Like you see, like that. When you click in the jewel one, you get coins. Like you see, this is very simple. You collect coins like that. It's very simple. We will use an auto clicker. Let's go to our auto clicker. You enable your auto clicker. Like you see, like that. You download the auto clicker from Google Play. After enabling all permission, it will open like that. You click enable, it will work open like that. You click in plus, you make enough time. Now we put everyone like that. Like that, we click in one. Like that. Now we click like that. It will work for you without doing anything. It will. You can use an old phone to collect coins. It's like not coin. Also, there is many coin like Yescoin, BB coin, time coin, and other mining coins. All in description. Also, don't forget to register your to verify your email in Avacoin. You go to the single of dollars. You click in dollars. You will find unverified, you just click in join community, you join Telegram channel. After that you return, you put any mail. It must be from mail.re or Yandex mail. Use one of these to confirm your verification, and your account will be verified, and you can withdraw your earning from Avacoin, 100% working bot. Also there is xBlast in description. You must join, and Tapscoin and other coin. You must join all that. You collect one by one. You work for every time in a coin, and that's all. You collect daily coins for you for free. It's a free opportunity to get free coins. Like we see, it's very simple to collect coins in this and in high speed. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.